Hey everyone, and welcome to day 40 of our Command 66 Day Challenge. Today, we're going to continue in Sketchhouse of Designs, and we're going to do one more social media graphic. We'll do an Instagram one this time. So let's click on Sketchhouse here, and click the plus sign in the bottom right corner, and choose Social, and create template. So this is brand new, literally added today. I think that was why we were maybe having some issues with Sketchhouse loading all today. But you can actually search here for a listing in the KWLS and associate it with your design. So essentially, it's going to pull in your photos and everything like that. So you can just easily pop a photo in from there. So I'm just going to select one of these for the purpose of this video. I would love for you guys to search for a listing you have, if you do have a listing, and see if it pulls up and see if we can pull in those photos. So let's choose our template type over here on this left sidebar. So I'm going to choose I think we did just sold yesterday, so maybe we'll do just listed today. And I'm gonna do an Instagram one. So let's choose an Instagram template. The reason I wanted to do this one is that I know I mentioned in yesterday's video that people have asked often if they have to go in and create something for every single social media channel if you advertise on all of them. I know a lot of people just do Facebook, and some do maybe Facebook and Instagram, some maybe Facebook and Twitter, any kind of combination of them. And the best answer to that is if you start with an Instagram graphic, you can really post that on any channel. Instagram is the finicky one. It wants it to be this square size here, whereas Facebook and Twitter are a little more lenient on it. If you were to create a Facebook design and post it to Instagram, it's just not going to be formatted the way that you might want it to be. What you want to see in that square as someone scrolling through the feed might not be exactly the way it would appear on here. So starting with the Instagram graphic is the best thing you can do if you want to use it to post on multiple different channels. So let's choose, how about this one right here? And I'm going to click use template. So you guys can choose the same one as me, but you don't have to. There's so many options in there. So just pick some type of Instagram template to go with. So as you'll notice, it's going to be identical to the process for creating a Facebook one. You've got the same kind of options. It's really just all about the size of the design. So we've got, look what I just listed over here. We've got a placeholder for the street name. So the ever popular 123 Main Street. Contact me for details. We've got the logo down here at the bottom. So again, just like yesterday, if you select the logo, then go over on the left sidebar to logos. You can swap it out with one of these on here. And you'll just need to pull it back up. Now we want to swap out the photo, of course. So if you select the picture, then I'm actually going to click on KWLS since I did associate a listing with it. If you didn't, just navigate over to this add part and you can upload the photo you want to use, or if you've connected any of these accounts, you can pull in the picture. Or if you're just testing things out, you can feel free to use the stock images that are in here. So I'm going to click on KWLS. So this is the first time I'm using this. I literally realized it did this right when I started to film the video. So this is really cool. It's pulling up that listing I've got it associated with, and I have the photos here. So I can just hover over and click on the two arrows to replace the image. And I can swap it out with any of these pictures. So that is really cool. You're not really having to do anything to upload these photos in. They're just going to pull directly from the KWLS, which I think is really awesome. And it looks like it's got listing details too. So let's see if that allows us to Okay, so you can populate any of this information in there automatically. Literally, these updates happen so often. That's what I love about Command, is that something we didn't have yesterday is in there today. So instead of having to type out your listing description, if you wanted to put that on here, you can, populate that on here automatically and any of these other details about it. So you're able to just pull in any of this information about the listing. So that is really cool. I hope you guys attach the listing in KWLS so you can kind of play around with that and see what it looks like on your end. But once you have completed your flyer on here, then you can name the design. I think I forgot to mention this yesterday, but this is where you can change the name on it up here. And you can save. It should be auto saving it for you, but I like to just manually do it just to double check. You can download it here so that we can post it. So I'll click download and start download. It's just going to download for me. And if you hit done, it's going to just take you back into Command. So unsaved changes. So let's just save those. So again, it's just going to take you right back in here to Command. So that is all for day 40 of our challenge. I can't wait to see what you guys design. Thanks for watching.